Let's look at all the different ways of moving around a document. So the easiest way to zoom in and out is to press Command plus or minus keys on the keyboard. These are actually also Command equal sign and Command underscore, but because these two symbols share the same key as the minus and plus, it's easier to remember them as being Command plus and Command minus. If you press Command 0 on the keyboard, you will fit the canvas into view. If you press Command 1, this will show the canvas at the 100% magnification. Once you zoom in, you can move around by using the hand tool. I currently have the marquee tool selected, so I can temporarily switch to the hand tool by pressing and holding the space bar on the keyboard, and then I click, hold, and drag to move around. So this temporarily switches my tool to the hand tool. To zoom in and out, I can also use the zoom tool. So I can temporarily switch to the zoom tool by pressing and holding the Z key. And then I can click and hold and then move the cursor left or right like this to zoom in and out. I can also switch to the zoom tool by pressing the Z key. And then if I click, I zoom in. And if I option click, I zoom out. And I can also click, hold, and drag left and right to zoom in and out. When I zoom in, I can switch to the hand tool by pressing H on the keyboard, like this. And then if I want to temporarily switch to the zoom tool, for example, I press and hold the Z key, and then I can zoom in and out, like this. Another way of moving around a document is by using the navigator. So you go to Window, Navigator, and then I can zoom in by using this slider and move around the document by dragging this rectangle around. Another thing I can do is, for example, if I press the Home key on the keyboard, I will move to the top left-hand corner of the screen. If I press the End key on the keyboard, I will move to the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. If I press Option Home, this will take me to the top right-hand corner of the screen, and Option End to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. So that would be Home, Option End, and End. If you are working with a file that has layers in it, you can option click onto a layer like this to zoom onto it. Another useful tool is the Rotate View tool. The shortcut for this tool is R, and this allows you to rotate the canvas. So, for example, when retouching, you may find it easier to paint up or down rather than at a diagonal. So for instance, I could retouch like this. And then if I press R again, I can reset the view.